Hello, 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 hello. Good morning. Yan.
Good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay, thank you. Okay.
And kinakain namin yung yung pinaghati-hati ni
Parata.
Jesus noon ayo.
Full parata.
Full parata.
Aywa.
Kasi ito yung ng full beans. Pizza lang ba? Ayun yung nakahati ni Kristo.
Okay.
Nagkamusal kami. Kaya, ayun yung pool.